Hi, we had a look at three-string bar chords that let us play almost all the chords in the key of G major. So now we're going to use those chords to check out some progressions. Before we do that, we'll just go through the chords one more time real quick. I'm going to call them out by number. G major is 1, A minor is 2, and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here they are by letter. G major, A minor, B minor, C major, D major, E minor, and back to G major. And G major and E minor are both available at the 12th fret too. All right. So for the progressions, the first one, 2, 5, 1. 2, 5, 1. So 2, 5, 1. Or A minor, D major, G major. Okay, it might also be helpful to know that for the chords on strings 2, 3, 4, the major chords, the root note is in the middle of those strings, which is to say string 3, G string. For the chords on strings 1, 2, 3, the root is on the thinnest string. Okay, those are called inversions. They're harmonically, they are the same chords at any rate. 2, 5, 1 we just did. So now we're going to use chords 1, 4, 5, 6 in 3 different orders. The first is 1, 6, 4, 5. 1, 6, 4, 5. Okay, so the point is just to have a quick listen to these and see that you can make anything that you want with them. You can certainly do lots and lots with them, and lots has been done with them. Lots of songs have been written using these progressions. The next one we'll do is 6, 4, 1, 5. 6, 4, 1, 5. Okay. All right, so the third one we'll do of these 4 chords is 1, 5, 6, 4. 1, 5, 6, 4. Okay, okay, two more to do. The first is, okay, 3, 6, 2, 5, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4. Let's see, 3, 6, 2, 5, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4. So there's 3, 6. Right. Okay, here's one last one. 2, 1, 2, 3, 5. 2, 1, 2, 3, 5. All right. Thanks.